Imagine a display that bends reality, literally. A secondary screen that doesn't just sit flat on your desk, but curves around your gaming rig, wrapping visuals in a way you've never seen before. Meet the Curvion, the future of gaming displays. The Curvion isn't your typical auxiliary display. It features a sleek, curved AMOLED panel designed to blend seamlessly with your gaming setup. Whether mounted inside your PC case or magnetically attached beside your monitor, this 6.5-inch marvel adapts to your space, adding a new dimension to your gaming environment. That unique curve isn't just for show. It allows content to extend around the corner, creating an immersive wraparound effect. This means notifications, system stats, or even game maps can sit comfortably within your line of sight without cluttering your main screen. And when installed inside a PC case, it contours perfectly around hardware, saving space and turning your rig into a visual masterpiece. The Curvion packs a punch with its 6.5-inch AMOLED display, delivering stunning 1080 by 2440 pixel resolution. Expect vivid colors with 99% NTSC color coverage, bright 500 nit output, and an ultra-fast 2-millisecond response time. This means smoother visuals, deeper blacks, and crisp images, critical for fast-paced gaming and multitasking alike. Setting up the Curvion couldn't be easier. It connects via USB, but without complicated drivers or software. Your computer recognizes it as a standard display, so you're ready to go straight away. This hassle-free experience makes it perfect for gamers who want to enhance their setup without fuss. Currently, the Curvion is available through a Kickstarter campaign, offering early supporters the chance to reserve one for $69 plus shipping. While backing a new product always carries some risk, this bold innovation could redefine how gamers interact with their rigs. Are you ready to experience the future of secondary displays? If you're intrigued by the Curvion's unique design and vibrant display, check out the Kickstarter campaign linked below. Don't miss your chance to be among the first to own this game-changing gadget. Subscribe for more tech insights and hit the bell to stay updated on the latest in gaming innovation.